Hi guys! In this video, we are going to Sapporo by taking the Super Hokuto train. We booked the tickets via Klook, which cost us about 325 ringgit per person. It is still way cheaper than the Hayabusa train though, which was about 800 ringgit plus minus per person. Anyways, let's explore the train car a bit first. You can charge mobile here, not at the seat but you can charge here. This is the toilet. Wow, it's huge. It's huge. Very hot inside here, so I have to tie my hair. Then I can press this button over here, close, and it will close. Yeah! So this is like much bigger, much more wider space than the Shinkansen. I love Japanese toilets because they have this seat cleaner, and then you can just like sanitize and wipe the, what do you call that, seat of the toilet seat, yeah, and then you can just do your business there. It's a very small basin, very cute basin. This is the men's toilet. My hubby says that it's very very small and you can only stand there to like pee. Oh, that's cool. Oh, what's this space for? I think it's for the multi-purpose room. Please inform the train conductor if you like to use it. Oh, okay. And that is the first class seat. It's almost the same, just that the seat is like much more wider. Maybe I can go and have a look. Let's do that. Okay, let's go, let's go. There's someone over there. Sorry, forgot to close. Bye bye.
When I booked this hotel, I actually didn't know they let you choose your own pillow. They even have a little pillow selection corner where you can pick from different types. I'm not really sure what they're made of, but I had a really good night's sleep with these pillows.
看小哥的玻璃套啊，
它可以打开的话。This is the room. It's rather, and there's the basin. There's a mirror over here. You can see through to the TV, and this basically the room. Very basic. I think it's enough for 2 people. And our luggage, we just put it here. I'm not sure how am I gonna open the luggage. I mean, where am I gonna open the luggage? Maybe around here or around here. So this, I only got this L shape.
可以看到街上，
哎呦，
它是可以开窗户。
看到街上，哎呀，可以开。哦 ，maximum 了。也不是很冷吧，其实。
我都打算把里面的衣脱掉了。
So this is the toilet. A decent size small toilet. And then this is the shower area. Just a very small area. Basic needs. Oh, what's this? There's a note over here. Close the door to avoid going off the fire alarm when you're taking a shower. OK， 老公这里也是一样，要快点关门。哦，还有鞋子，还有indoor鞋子，还有鞋子去那个 public bath。Coffee，
至于它这个
因为 Americano coffee。
很好喝。
质疑的玩法，
在东一丁目剧场设施，
怎么讲啊？
里面是一样。
哦，好多漫画。
I decided to stay here even just for one night because it's really close to the car rental place where we were picking up our car the next day. And coincidentally, it's also near the Sapporo Clock Tower. The only downside is that at night it gets pretty quiet and not many eateries stay open late. Luckily, there's a Lawson convenience store just around the corner.